Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm gonna show you how we are going to crochet these beautiful tiny crochet pumpkin appliques. You can sew up these very small crochet pumpkin appliques on your crochet creations, blankets, scarves, beanies, anything you can imagine. You can sew up and you can ornament your crochet creations. It is really very beautiful, dear friends. You can also make earrings, necklace. You can sew up them on headbands, bandanas. It's really very beautiful, very nice. Also the pattern is very easy, dear friends. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends, and let's go on how to make this. For this project, we need 3 different colors of cotton yarn. One is orange color, suitable to the color of pumpkin. The other is for the pumpkin stalk in the middle, and the green color is for the leaf. And we need 3mm hook. I'm taking the orange color in my hand. I will start by making magic ring. I'm doing this like this. Making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the ring and making a single stitch. Meanwhile, be careful that this yarn end will be always on the ring. After making 1 single stitch, I'm making yarn over, inserting my hook in the same ring and making a half double crochet. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the ring, making another half double crochet. Yarn over, making a double crochet. Yarn over, making another double crochet. 2 times yarn over. This time I am making triple crochet. Another triple crochet. Two double crochet. This is 1. This is 2. 1 half double crochet. And another half double crochet. And 1 single stitch. I'm keeping the ring with the yarn end and pushing it to the right side. I finished one side of the pumpkin, crochet pumpkin. Now we are going to make the other side. We are doing the same thing. First of all, making single crochet and then half double crochet and another half double crochet and double crochet, the second double crochet, 2 times yarn over I'm making and making a triple crochet, and another triple crochet, two times double crochet I'm making. This is 1, this is 2, 2 times half double crochet I'm making. This is 1, this is 2, and 1 single crochet. We finished the second part of the pumpkin. I am pulling the ring and pushing it to the right side. Later on I will pull this and I'm making smaller to the ring. Tightly and carefully I am pulling this. Look, the center is becoming small and small. It's been like this, dear friends. Now we are going to make the fruit stalk, I mean the pumpkin stalk. For this reason, I am taking the brown color in my hand. I am remaining some yarn at the back. I am keeping this with my finger. I will change the color like this. Later on, in order to make the orange loop smaller, I am pulling this. Now I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. I am inserting my hook in the second chain and making a slip stitch. Going to the first one, making another slip stitch. Now inserting my hook in the last stitch and making another slip stitch to fix the stalk. And now in the middle, in the very middle, I'm inserting my hook in order to fix it well. Making another slip stitch, making 1 chain, the stalk is finished. We are shaping it with our hand. It is finished, as you see. I am pulling the orange color, fix the brown color well, pulling it. We are finished with orange color. For this reason, I'm cutting it. And I'm making 1 chain and cutting the brown color as well. Later on we will clean the back yarn ends. It's been like this. Now we are going to make the leaf, this leaf. For this reason I am taking the green color in my hand, and on the right side, let me show you. We are counting like this: 1, 2, 3. In the third stitch, I'm inserting my hook, fixing the green color. 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains I'm making, and then inserting my hook in the third one, making a slip stitch. Making yarn over, going to the second one, making a half double crochet, going to the other one, I mean the first one, and making a double crochet, like this. Meanwhile I am pulling the yarn end. And now in the same stitch that we fixed the stalk, I'm inserting my hook and I'm going to fix the leaf, by making slip stitch like this, dear friends. I am turning back, making a chain, and then cutting the yarn. The pattern is like this, so easy, dear friends. Now we are going to hide the yarn ends, and the project is the tiny pumpkin is completely finishing. For this reason, I am turning back. I am taking a small size hook in my hand in order to work at the back side by hiding the yarn ends. Let's start with orange colors. First of all, I am tying the both edges in order to fix it well. Once again, I'm going to tie them. They are very long, so for this reason I am cutting and make them a bit shorter. Now I am taking my small size hook in my hand and making pull through. Again, making pull through. Like this a few times. I'm making pull them through, pull the orange yarn ends through the orange stitches, like this. And cutting the last yarn end. We are going to make the same thing for the green color, taking the small size hook in my hand. First of all, I'm bringing them to the middle of the leaf at the back side in order to tie them smoothly, like this. Now I can tie them. Once again, I'm tying. Okay, I can cut them now. We are doing the same thing for the brown color. First of all, I'm tying them, tying the both edges, and 2 times I tied and just cutting. It's been like this, dear friends. It's been finished. As you see, it's really beautiful. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you like these very small crochet pumpkin patch appliques. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will go on sharing this kind of crochet creations. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks, make comments, and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you, and thank you again. See you in the coming videos.